Our next presenter, Keith C. Wetmore, is the highly regarded chair of Morrison and Foerster, LLP, and former dinner chair of our awards program. Please welcome one of the greatest supporters of this event and a well-known leader in the legal profession, Mr. Wetmore.
Thank you. Good evening. A couple of years ago, Morrison and Foerster, through the Burton Foundation, established the Regulatory Innovation Award. As a country, we seem to be emerging from the financial crisis with a new intention to reclaim our regulatory mojo, if you will, and consider smarter and better regulation. It's with great pleasure that this evening we honor the 2012 Regulatory Innovation Award recipient, Cass Sunstein, the Administrator of the Office of Information and Regulatory Affairs. Given Mr. Sunstein's books and journal articles on wide-ranging topics, from constitutional studies to animal rights, we could be celebrating any one of his many and diverse accomplishments. Before serving as the administrator, Mr. Sunstein was the Felix Frankfurter Professor of Law at Harvard Law School and previously served on the faculty of University of Chicago Law School. During his time in academia, Mr. Sunstein authored, with Professor Richard Thaler, Nudge, an influential book discussing the relationship between human behavior, decision-making, and regulation. This evening, and with this award, we in particular recognize Mr. Sunstein's contributions that advance the thinking on efficient regulation. As Administrator of the Office of Information and Regulatory Affairs, Mr. Sunstein oversees the review of every significant piece of new regulation offered by the executive branch agencies to ensure the regulation's benefits outweigh its costs. In his current role, he has focused policymakers on the need for efficient regulation based on cost-benefit analysis and on crafting regulations which achieve their goals. These are important principles so that businesses are given maximum flexibility to grow and innovate while reducing risk. For this, and all of his many other noteworthy contributions, we at Morrison and Foerster are delighted to join the Burton Foundation in congratulating our honoree, Cass Sunstein.